Imagine navigating a corporate network under a cyber threat. What if you could master that skill? With eCTHP certification, you can. The eCTHP is no ordinary certification. It's designed for cybersecurity professionals ready to tackle real-world threats head-on. This hands-on exam immerses you in live scenarios, testing your skills against advanced malware. You'll gain expertise in 1. Network and memory analysis to identify threats effectively. 2. Developing innovative defense strategies to counteract attacks. 3. Leveraging cyber threat intelligence for powerful insights. What sets eCTHP apart? It's the only certification assessing practical hunting abilities in a realistic lab environment. Don't wait. Secure your certification and elevate your cybersecurity career. Enroll now and be the defender organizations need.